Good morning to all. I welcome you to the second session of interpretation of non-verbal information. So, in this session, I want to explain you the another type of non-verbal information that is called T diagrams. This is a T diagram, and this T diagram shows what is the T diagram shows the structure of a simple sentence. This T diagram shows what is the structure of simple sentence. Structure of what? A simple sentence. So here this is S for sentence, S for sentence. So S nothing but sentence divided into two types, two parts. Noun phrase or verb phrase. Noun phrase or verb phrase. NP means noun phrase. VP means verb phrase. Okay. NP VP. Here noun phrase divided into two. That is determiner. DET means determiner. Determiner A and D. This, that, those also. Okay. Determiners. Noun phrase divided into two, determiner and noun. Determiner and noun, that is called what is that noun phrase. Here another part of sentence is verb phrase. Verb phrase divided into two, that is the verb and the prepositional phrase. Verb phrase divided into two, what is that verb and the prepositional phrase. PP nothing but prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase. Verb phrase, prepositional phrase and verb. Here prepositional phrase divided into two, that is preposition and noun phrase. Preposition and noun phrase. Is it clear? So here noun phrase nothing but determiner plus noun is called what is the noun phrase. Verb phrase is nothing but verb plus prepositional phrase is called what is that verb phrase. Prepositional phrase nothing but preposition plus noun phrase is called what is that prepositional phrase. Noun phrase nothing but same here, determiner plus noun, determiner plus noun, determiner plus noun. And come to the examples here. Determiner nothing but the, noun means girl, the verb means laughed, it is a sentence. Preposition means hat here, determinants the, noun monkey. Now read it. The girl laughed at the monkey. The girl laughed at the monkey. So it is what? Sentence. It is totally sentence. Of is noun phrase and of is noun phrase. Remaining is verb phrase. From here to there, verb phrase. Verb phrase, what is that? Verb plus prepositional phrase. Verb plus verb prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase means what is the preposition and noun phrase. Prepositional and noun phrase. Noun phrase means determiner and noun. Determiner and noun. Is it clear now? This is. And come to the another example. Determiner the, noun boat, verb sailed, preposition up, determiner the, n nothing but noun river. The boat sailed up the river. The boat sailed up the river. So this is it clear? S for sentence, NP nothing but noun phrase, VP nothing but verb phrase, V for verb, PP for preposition phrase, P for preposition, NP nothing but noun phrase. DET means determiner and plus N nothing but noun. And come to the questions now. What are the two main subdivisions of sentence? What are the two main subdivisions of a sentence? What are the main subdivisions? What is the main one? It is the sentence. And in this pie chart, what kind of thing is described? T diagram shows the structure of simple sentence. Okay. What is the main subdivisions of sentence? What are the main subdivisions? This is and this is. NP and VP, noun phrase and verb phrase. You have to write here what is that? NP and VP, noun phrase and verb phrase. You can write NP, VP, or you can write noun phrase and what is it? Better to write noun phrase and verb phrase. That is the answer for first question. And second one is, what does NP contain? NP, where is the NP? This is the NP. What does NP contain? NP contain determiner and noun. NP contain what is the determiner and noun. What does NP have nothing but determiner and a noun. Answer for the second question is determiner and a noun. And third question is what is the called in the diagram? What is the called in the diagram? This is the called what? Determiner. Answer is determiner. Determiner is what? The. So the is called determiner. So answer is determiner. Next one, what subdivisions does PP have? NP determiner now. What subdivisions VP or PP? PP have. What subdivisions does PP have? This is the PP, prepositional phrase. Subdivisions of PP, preposition and NP. Preposition and NP. The fourth question answer is what is the preposition and NP. Preposition and NP. Prepositional noun phrase. The last question is, how many types of phrases do you notice in the T diagram? How many types of phrases? How many types of phrases do you notice in the diagram? Just we have to find out the phrases. One is a noun phrase, second one is a verb phrase, and third one is a prepositional phrase. It is also noun phrase. There is a noun phrase, so that we have to take it three whole. Noun phrase, verb phrase, preposition phrase. Noun phrase, verb phrase, preposition phrase. Answer is 3. And what are they? That's the next question is there. What are they? There are 3 phrases. The first one is noun phrase. The second one is verb phrase, and third one is prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrase. So this is it clear? This is the easiest one. You have to, if you have textbook, you have to refer it. You have to do practice. Then it is easy. Is it clear? So we'll meet in the next session. Thank you.